Welcome back, viewers. Today, I'll be walking you through the process of creating HTTP custom configurations from HTTP custom websites. Before we dive in, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more tech tutorials like this one. Step 1. First, open any web browser of your choice and navigate to a HTTP custom website. Once there, you'll find yourself on the home page. Step 2. On the left side of your screen, locate and click on the menu button to explore further. Here, you'll find options for HTTP custom and HTTP request configs. Step 3. Let's download the HTTP custom files. Simply click on the HTTP custom configs menu, and a submenu will appear. From here, you can access the latest configs for today or browse through recent files up to last week. Step 4. Once you've selected the desired configuration, you'll be directed to the respective post. From the list of available configs, choose the one you need and initiate the download. Within moments, the file will be saved to your download folder, ready for import. And there you have it, folks. Creating HTTP custom configurations is as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more content. Until next time, happy browsing!